Well, I decided to write the book Timeless based on my 44 years of working in architecture. And I really felt that there was something to offer not only to potential clients or past clients celebrating the work I've done, but also really share with other architects my approach that I think is really produces authentic and genuine houses, but live the way people want to live today that are historically based. The architecture and the style and the vernacular is something that is very timeless in its appeal. It's hearth and home, it's a sense of history, it makes people feel good. So I think it has a broad appeal, and just based on even the last few weeks just of the pre-sales of the book, I think it speaks well to the success.